Hello everybody. Thank you, Mr. Pratik. Let's wait for a few people to join. Today I'm very excited. Sunday done well. Sunday. Hi Mehreen. So guys, I am today, okay, first I wanted to say I'm very happy. I got dressed up. There are a couple of reasons. First thing, today's Sunday, I didn't have work. Second thing is, when you dress up, you feel really good. Third thing is that I'm going live with a supermodel. I cannot afford to look like a jhalli, right? So that's that. And second thing I wanted to tell you guys that me going live with people, it has an agenda behind it. I really want you people to get to know some unsung heroes. Like, you know, we always see interviews of such big people and they have their life and they have their stories, struggling stories and everything. Okay, I love you. Bye. Okay, so my name is Kiran. Hi guys, my name is Kiran. Sorry, my profile name is like that. It has a couple of reasons, which I will tell you maybe some other day. Okay, so I wanted to say that I go live with these people. They have amazing stories. They have achieved so much, but you know, we may not have opportunity to know a lot of people, and that's the reason I want to introduce today's model. And believe me, all you models out there, all you people have so much to learn from her. You guys can ask me questions. I'll try to cover most of them. I have already noted few questions who all have directly DM me, directly message me. People want to know your real name. yeah. Hi Harshini. Hi guys. She is inspiration for sure. Okay. She has attended in season 3 India's Next Top Model. She's a top model. Okay, I need to stop music. And she is from Rajasthan. Okay, and the way she has come up in her career is, I think, hat off. And today, let's just wait for her. I think you guys will have a lot of things, okay, to ask, I'm sure, and to learn from. I noted on some questions, and just because I was playing music, I lost them. Where the hell are the questions? Okay. And by the way, you guys love FOMO shots, right? She was also there in that. Like when I saw that, I was so proud. You know, like that proud. I'm so proud. So, let me see if she is live. And she's a sweetheart. You know, when you check her profile out, like she's that strong, confident model, and you'll get scared to even approach her and talk to her. But she is a sweetheart. Okay, let me just check. She's there. Hi.
Hi, can you hear me?
Miss Apurva is there for you guys.
Hi,
So
everyone. Just a second. I'm just checking my. Hi. Hi, everybody. How are you?
You can see that I'm all glowing and excited. Like if Apurva is talking to me.
What's up? What's happening? How's Bangalore?
Bangalore, apparently the weather is too good. People are in control. So I think even the COVID conditions are much better. Apparently, yesterday something bad happened, but then otherwise the conditions are better. How is Mumbai doing?
Mumbai is good. Actually, Kiran, people are saying that we're not loud enough. I think your sound.
Okay. I will try to speak louder. Am I okay now? Is my connection bad or your connection bad?
Just hold on.
No problem, no problem.
Let's see. Yeah. I think it's much better now.
Yeah.
So Mumbai's been good, yeah. Actually, all the shops out here, everything is shut, and things are really bad because in Dharavi, quite a lot of people are infected. So yeah,
You got to know the number in Dharavi currently?
not really the number, but quite a lot of people. So that's the reason Mumbai is still gonna be shut, even if the country opens up.
Okay. So I would
Yes.
first like you to introduce. I know your life completely, and I'm so inspired. But for our people, just tell them about you a little bit. They know a lot about you, but then yeah,
So, I would like to say, so I'm a model, I'm an actress, and I have done India's Next Top Model, and I've also been a cover for India Today magazine. And yeah, I mean that's a little bit about me. I am a very friendly person. I love to interact with people. I love to make new friends, and I'm also an artist. So I sketch human portraits.
wow. I forgot that point.
Yeah.
You should put your art out there, like more. Are you
I
are you doing
know
anything currently?
how.
Are you doing anything currently?
I was doing it, so it's like really funny. My cat has been a very dangerous person I have ever met because I was sketching and he peed on the sketch.
Wow.
So yeah,
I
so exactly.
really like the sketch. What was the sketch about?
So I was making, as not a lot of people would be knowing this, but I love making human portraits with different skin texture. So I was doing that, and I was making a picture of a lady, an old lady. So
Wow.
yeah,
We can't see it, can we? No.
no, we cannot see it. It's all over. It's all over the place. My whole drawing file has been spoiled.
So, Apurva, in short, from my side, what I have to tell you is that India's Next Top Model, you've been like a magazine cover, and then
Yeah.
you've been like travel internationally, and then you are like a top model. You are a
Yeah.
top model, and that is when my friends got to know like I'm going to be going live with a top model, they were so excited. Like they really wanted to. A lot of people asked me questions. They really wanted to know your joining experience and the tips for them that from Bangalore lot of models want to move to Mumbai. I think everybody in India has one thing in their head. They want to move to Mumbai. You were from Jaipur. How did you move to Mumbai? What was your like initially? How did you join Toab? I think will be first initial few things which everybody wants to know.
So I think when I was in 11th and 12th, that's what the time when I decided that I want to go further in my modeling, because see, in any career it is very important that you should be very very hardworking, and you should be able to make choices at the right time. So I think choices are something which I have made. I remember I was selected in NEFT, and I got selected in the first cutoff list, but still I left that and I chose a career which doesn't really have a very long life. But I, one second. Yeah, but I really wanted to pursue this career, and that's one reason that I came into modeling, and I thought that this is what is going to give me a lot of happiness. And I think for all the models, I would like to say, especially the ones who are aspiring models and who wants to do something in their lives, I would like to say that they all should get out of their comfort zones. That's very, very, very important. You need to,
Challenge themselves.
yeah, you need to accept changes in your life. things will not come to you. You need to go to things, right? And after that, you need to not be scared of failures. That's very important, because success is when what you do after failures, not just getting failed. And a lot of people come to Bombay and that they get really depressed. Nothing is happening. We are giving 100 of auditions every day. Nothing is working out, and that's why they become really depressed. So I think a person has to be really, really positive. They should be self-motivated.
You know what the first thing I loved about you?
Yes, tell me.
So in one of the Storm Show's show when we were doing, and I got to know that you were going to be my roommate. I just so guys, like she has that. I mean, of course, you would have seen her photos, and then she's like, where's my key? I just looked at her. I'm like, is she going to be my roommate? How am I going to deal with her? Like, I don't even know her. How am I going to talk to her? What I loved about you was, and I think I told you then that, like, please teach me your confidence. Like, when you look at the person will pee in his pants. The girl or boy. That eyes you have, like, and I think it's one of the most important things for self-love, and wherever you go, even if you're like any business, I think, not only modeling, but if you have confidence, if you love yourself, you can achieve anything. That's what I learned from you.
That's true.
And coming to you have amazing body, you have amazing skin. I love your skin. But then I just want to say, in India, there is like a thing about color and everything. We all know. So even if, oh, did I just lose Apurva? What happened? Okay, let me just check. I think I lost her. I like your eyes, Apurva. There are like so many comments.
I'm really sorry. The connection was really bad out here.
No problem. I was just checking that. Hi, Yash bhai. I was just checking that somebody wrote, I love your eyes. Oh my God. Guys, I cannot tell enough what all I love about her. There is a lot of stuff. Wait, let me just check.
I can see a lot of comments and a lot of people coming over, because earlier it was just stuck on a number, and I couldn't even see you. So
you didn't listen to whatever I just said. I was talking such amazing things about you.
No, I know. I heard it, but I couldn't see your facial expression.
Okay. So I was just saying, I forgot where I was, but I was just saying that you have a perfect body. And you have a perfect skin color, and your look is very international. As per me, your look is very international. When I look at your photos, and you're from a place where I am, like you're a Rajasthani, so I feel very proud. You've taken Rajasthan to that level where when people watch, nobody will look at you.
It's Rajasthan. Rajasthan should be known everywhere, and I think people should everybody, because. See, a lot of in industry, people consider mostly, if you have seen the last few pageants of Miss Indias and all that, a lot of North Indian people have won, like Delhi girls have won. So I think it's time for Rajasthan to show the world what they have got. I think Rajasthan is the most talented state of India.
I would say every state is talented, but I love Rajasthan, so I am biased. So what I was going to say is that I have personally faced it and seen it. Like everybody, even as a child, I used to think that, oh my God, I'll become dark. Like right now, it's not there, but then it used to be. So how did you face anything being a dusky model, or you were always just like, I am the one, I'm the boss, and I will kill the world, and I'll be on top of the world. Just asking.
See, when I started modeling, and when I finally decided that this is what I want to do it in my life, that's where my confidence came in, and I knew people will criticize me. I knew people will stop me from being a model, because see, if you don't have struggles in your life, if you don't have anything which is stopping you, you will not show that passion into something. You will just not gonna do that. So I think that's where my all confidence came in, and I realized that this is what I want to do it. And a lot of people even criticized me, and but that didn't really had a major thing on me. I was like, I want to go ahead. Just let your
Wow.
success speak, not your words, and not giving a bad reply to anybody. I have been trolled also a couple of times. Even when I did the cover for India Today magazine, my mother, she fainted, and I was not accepted by my family for almost 6 months. But I knew what I have done is commendable. So I think that's where my confidence was, and I sticked on it.
Like what I love is that you know what you've got. And I
Yes.
think that's very important that, um, sorry, I was just reading a comment. Somebody wanted to, I'm from Rajasthan. And a lot of people have
Same
been
here.
on
Even I was watching. But anyways, I would like to tell all the aspiring models of Bangalore one thing, that you need to understand who you are, not the physical appearance. Because see, nobody is perfect. Everyone have flaws, and what's important is knowing yourself from inside and out, and that's where you're gonna realize how unique person you are. And once you know that, you'll become the best version of yourself. And
And
then
I feel
nobody can
there's a
stop
job
you.
for everyone. Purva, I feel there's a job for everyone. It's just
Yeah.
that, there's ad for different kind of people. So you be your own people. You will get whatever work is for you. Like I cannot do work like you. I'm totally different personality. I cannot even make that confident face you make. Like
You're
I'm
a
more of
crush.
like a mind person, and then I'm like more of like this actress person. But I think you have got that like a very like a supermodel personality and everything. So everyone is good in their own skin, right? And they need to find that. So what
Yeah,
was
I
your
think.
TOB like? How do people join TOB? Like if they want, what is their requirement like? And
See, first of all, I my way was completely different. I didn't wanted to go straight away and show up and please sign me. No, I don't like doing that. I worked really hard after coming to Bombay, and coming to Bombay was also not easy because I was never getting a support from my family, and I did all the savings in Delhi. I really worked hard for 6 to 7 months, and then came to Bombay. And after doing that, I knew that I can manage here for 6 7 months or 10 months, but still it was so difficult because every day I used to go 10 auditions, five auditions a day, and that too even I was not being able to get selected, and that was
yeah.
a really depressing situation. But I somewhere down the line I knew that I will make it. I will make it. So
So
I think,
sweet.
yeah. So I think that's very very important. I think there's somebody.
Yeah, there's one lady asking. Sorry, I couldn't see the name. Let me just see. Sama. She's asking, what do you think about makeup? Do you use makeup on a daily basis, or what is your feedback on makeup? And she said that you're very pretty.
Okay, we're gonna reply to Sama later, but let's just finish the question you asked me. You asked me about Toab, right? So
Yeah.
I had a very different way. I first of all I build up my profile, I build up my lifestyle. I made sure that I'm doing regular test shoots with different photographers. It doesn't matter that if somebody doesn't like you, there are 100 people who will not like you, but there will one person who will like you. So I try to do shoots every day. I try to pose every day. I try to practice myself every single day. And after a span of 3 4 months and 5 months, when I made my profile perfectly, and that's where even now I don't think I really required agencies to take care of my work. I do my work 50% by my own, but still my agency always helped me a lot, and I am glad that Toab really signed me because it's one of the topmost agency of Bombay. So then I got a call from them. I didn't go and say that please sign me up. They called me up. They were like that we would like to be a part of our company. So,
Wow.
but for the other models, I would say that they should make a profile first. They should do a lot of test shoot. They should have a great amount of pictures. The WAP company can also go and you know put you across the photographers and all that. But the kind of efforts you will put on yourself, nobody else will.
Yeah.
So I think you should be proactive and go self-prepared, and then show them your profile that this is me, and now I would like to work with you. And then it is upon them that how would they like to sign you up or not. Everything is on them. But still doesn't matter. Matter even if they don't, it's okay because there's the entire world waiting for you.
So basically, it is there's no shortcut to it. First thing. Second thing is you need to keep working on yourself emotionally, physically, mentally. Like I think if you do
Yes.
not keep that in check, so if your physical is best, but you are like not prepared from inside, or maybe if you see a failure, then emotionally you go down. I think everything on top add together once is very important. Okay, so do you want to tell us about FOMO shots? Like, did you meet them? Like, they're such amazing actors, and your shoot. Oh my God! Like, I just
I
saw that
actually,
picture.
I actually met Kirti. I quite really like her personality, even the FOMO shot. She's one of my favorite. So I remember
Yeah.
they called me and I was shooting for them. My shoot was just for 2 days, but then I met her. It was a really nice experience. And the team was very warm, very welcoming. It was not like, okay, we are a very big star, so we're not gonna entertain you. Like, no, they were really nice and humble, and that's the only thing I really like. That doesn't matter how big you become, you should always be humble with people.
Yeah. And oh, when you say humble, I think personally that you don't show that often to people, but you're very humble. And that's one of the qualities which I love about you. Like I think people if they break that if they break that outside one layer of yours, then I feel you are like total love and you're all the time smiling. You're very positive. So by the way, guys, I'll tell you one thing. So when we were doing a show together, I was that time not on a diet. Like
The sound is going.
problem? No. Can you hear me?
There is a problem of sound.
Okay. So me and Apurva used to go out for lunch, dinner, breakfast together. And when I'm a foodie, like when I used to see food, I couldn't stop, and I used to take those muffins and just hit my own head, on my head, and tell me, "Don't eat carbs. Today we have a show. Don't eat carbs." And it's just look at her.
No
Like,
carbs.
she would not let. So what dedicated? Like there was nice, beautiful buffet out there in a restaurant, and like Lowell sir was also there, and he's also looking at my table. Like, Kiran, are you going to eat all of them? During that time, I didn't have flat abs, but right now I'm like all doing my good diet and
Yeah,
everything.
now you are good. You are in a good shape. But that's
Yeah,
not now. All the aspiring models, I would like to say, who are coming and joining your life. See, they'll go to best places. They'll get best kind of food, but it completely depends on them. How do they want to maintain themselves? Whether they want to eat or they want to maintain themselves.
it's like either this side or that side. You cannot be completely what? Yeah, like
Either you
eating
can be the
everything. And
best
then
or you can have the taste of your life.
exactly. So, okay. Before I have a rapid fire question for you. So
Yay!
before that, I
Let's
want
take
you
some
to.
questions what people are asking.
Okay, okay, done.
Hey Sonu, one of my
We
friends.
want to see you and Apurva. Oh, I think they're TikTok and they want to they want to see you and Apurva together. I have a dancing video, but I didn't find it. It's me and Apurva dancing. No, I'm not sharing it. It's our private moment. Like I and Apurva love dancing. Okay, so and Sonu. Let's see.
Let's
I'll
take
look
some
at the
questions
question.
from here.
Yeah, sure.
Please give some advice for new model. Actually, I've given quite a lot of advices. But one
We
more
have
advice I would like to give is always aim higher. Always. And see, in my dictionary, if somebody asks me that can you do this or can you not do this, I don't have an answer of yes or no. No, that's not there. Only one thing is that I will make it happen. Doesn't matter.
very nice. I'm just checking for questions for you, if there's
Will
anything.
be seeing big screen very soon. You guys will be seeing. Actually, you guys will be seeing me on a big screen in 2021 because my web series is about to release. So yeah.
What web series is that?
So I've done an Applause Entertainment web series, and it's a web series based on Naxalite. So I have a really bold image on my Instagram, and people find me really hot and sexy. But once they're gonna see my web series, it's completely opposite. So I've become a village girl, and even if I just out the look of it right now, people will get a shock of their life.
I'm
But
so
it's really
bad.
good.
Yes.
Do you use makeup on daily basis?
Who is
Um,
Sonu Chukral? Sorry, I don't
huh?
know. Who is Sonu Chukral?
One singer friend.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
written. Let's see you together. I thought he's in your web series.
No. He's a singer.
Okay, okay, okay.
Thank you all for so many compliments. Apart from hot and sexy, you look beautiful in Indian suit in last post. I'm like, God. Okay, let's start the rapid fire round.
You look so beautiful in Indian suit in your last post. So somebody's saying, by the way, forget about hot and sexy. He found you really beautiful in your last that suit picture. Even
Yeah,
I
I
found
just,
it very beautiful.
I
It
just.
has like a grace, thing. Uh, yeah. So before starting, I wanted to ask if you have tips on beauty, and then we will move to rapid fire.
See, tips on beauty is very simple. I wake up in the morning and I have a glass warm water with lemon. That's my beauty secret. I think a great diet is very, very important. See, it doesn't matter how much makeup you put on, but a person who will come closer to you will know. So, one more advice for all the upcoming models from Bangalore, that it doesn't matter how much makeup you can put on. It depends on how, when the person will come close to you, that person will know that she has a really bad acne or really bad pigmentation on the face. So for that you should always maintain a good diet, and you should have the Kiran's keto bowls. They are super good.
What
They
is
have
keto bowl?
all the good ingredients.
So guys, keto ball is all about dry fruits and dry seeds and very healthy fats. So I think our skin needs healthy fats. We need protein as well as we need good amount of fats. So I
That's right.
think my skin and my health has been completely doing wonders because of keto ball. And you are getting Apurva your keto balls very soon. Directly to Mumbai
Yeah.
once coronavirus, all these issues are
Yeah,
over.
it's just, I'm just waiting everything calms down, everything becomes normal, then
Yeah.
it'll be
I'm
fine.
so I'm sure, like by God's grace, everything will be fine. Things are almost getting in control with all these
Yeah,
lockdown, but
that's true.
yeah,
Even, but this lockdown has really taught me a lot of things. There are things which I was not doing, is what I'm doing now. I'm working on myself completely. I'm more focused than what I was earlier. So I think this is the best time. If you cannot utilize this time, then I think you will not get this precious time ever. This is
yeah,
for
I think
everybody.
so. Yeah, like every day we will keep dying. When do we get free time, right? So when people
Right,
have got free time, they need to plan what all was their dream which they never did. Like from
exactly.
cooking, sleeping properly. These are the basics. You
Right.
cook your own food and you sleep well. You drink a lot of water. You exercise. I was following this cult. I don't know if you were doing it. Cult is having these free classes.
Right.
And I was in love with them. I just go any moment and there either a dance fitness going on or there's like
Oh,
strength and
nice.
conditioning. Yeah, and then like how you're painting, like that I'm dancing. I love dancing. And then
Right.
I love learning the choreos and everything. And there's like you can meditate if you're feeling like
Yeah, that's what I mean. I've been meditating in the morning, and it's been really, really, it's giving me so much of energy, so much of positivity every day. So I think, coming out with different hobbies is really good in
so
this
somebody is
quarantine.
asking a good question that how did you manage to travel to London, Europe, Rome? I think you travel for your shoots internationally and maybe they're asking. I want
Um,
to add a question to that how do you trust the agency when the work do you get? How do you find out if it is a genuine work?
See, I think if you are with a good agency, they will not come up with any bad work. They'll always come up with a filtered work. And it's not only you, there will be 5 or 6 different people in between, and they will coordinate with the clients. So, obviously, it's not the time where it's not the project which anybody can cheat on. And obviously you need to be a strong person if you get an opportunity to go and travel internationally for shoots. So I think that that is the time you should utilize in every way, whether gaining the trust from the agencies that they should send you abroad, from going to abroad, and make sure that you leave a very good image out there, because your attitude gets you everywhere. So I think that's very important, and you should explore the cities wherever you go to, because you may not, never know, you don't get a chance like that again. So I think
But do you get time? Do you get time to explore and be yourself and do whatever you wanted to?
yeah. So whenever I travel internationally, I plan to have a shoot for 1 or 2 days, and then I give my entire time to knowing the place, exploring the place, getting to know the different people out there, and interacting with new friends.
Do you have any story to share, like a very exciting one? Just a small story about your international travels. I'm sure so many goof ups, so many people like, and you go out all day in a new country.
Yeah, that's right. But I really like partying and socially involving with people. So I remember I made a friend. We both cannot communicate with each other because she doesn't know English, she doesn't know Hindi, and I don't know Spanish. But we got connected with each other, and we were like, I still remember, like, we were dancing in the club, and we were the last person who were dancing in the club, and she was talking with me with a translator.
Oh,
So it was so
wow.
funny. The music is so loud, but she's still talking with me on a translator. So it was really
Nice.
funny. Yeah.
So, by the way, my on my birthday when I went traveling solo, so
Yeah.
right at 1 a.m. in the night, I was alone, and I've never celebrated my birthday alone. So I just went to the bar and I just told them that today's my birthday. I checked in and I told them today's my birthday. So they felt so bad that I'm alone. Suddenly, one girl gets up and she didn't know the language. Okay, she gets up and she says that I will come with you. I said,
Oh,
where? She said, there. I said, okay. I threw my bag there and I went with her.
right.
That night was my best experience, Apurva. That night I went, she took me to all the places and told everybody that this girl's birthday. I was dancing on the roads, I was having shots everywhere, free shots. And that girl and me, we were kissing each other like, we were so happy and hugging and
Oh,
everything.
nice.
And we didn't speak.
That's what it doesn't matter. I mean, you may meet the best person of your life at different places where you don't know that this is going to be happening. I remember my birthday was it was on the 6th of April, and it just went really dull. Dullest
Wow.
birthday of my entire life, because I couldn't do anything. I couldn't get alcohol. I couldn't call my friends. But I'm definitely be doing a grand party after it, and you are invited.
Wow. I need reasons to come to Mumbai. Mumbai is my favorite place. My childhood was Mumbai. When I go to Mumbai, I don't have to go party outside. Like, I just be on the terrace, just watch all the buildings, and I'll be like, wow. Mumbai is that beautiful. It has a vibe, actually. I
Yeah,
think whoever enters Mumbai has to win. Has to win on top of the world. I don't know how.
that's right.
Okay, so I'm scared that this live will stop.
What?
Point. So yeah, it will stop randomly. So what I want to do is I want to stop it and come back again. So guys will come back again, rejoin, because I'm sure if it goes longer than this, it will stop, and then
Why?
we'll start the rapid fire. Or do you want me to continue? Because
Yeah.
I'm sure it'll have issues.
Why?
Bec- Okay, whenever the live goes longer, I've always seen it stops abruptly.
No, 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 no. You can continue with
Will
life for
continue?
an hour or so. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, cool. So I have the rapid fire questions ready for you.
I would like to thank everybody who is commenting. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I'm so happy and glad that you all are here joining me in supporting both of us. I just love you all.
And I love you guys too. I am so happy that you're here and so excited. Okay,
Yeah, it's
so
so
are you
good
ready?
when people are supporting.
Yeah, exactly. It's nice, huh? I think one more thing I want to say is that modeling, we all are here because of you guys. Like you like to watch us, you get so happy when we are working really well, and that excites us, and we get
That's right.
okay.
Okay, let's
Okay,
go for
so are you
rapid
ready?
fire round.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So, in one line or one word, whatever you're okay with, what is modeling really like?
Lots of confidence.
Lots of
Yeah.
must-have beauty product.
I think a kajal.
Kajal. Huh.
Yes.
What's your morning ritual?
I have a glass of warm water with lemon, which I
Look at
always
that.
say. Yeah.
Secret beauty tip, which nobody knows.
Secret beauty tips. I cannot give you here, but then everybody will know. No, not nobody will know the secret beauty tip.
So, I actually lost you. So you said nobody will know. Okay.
You tell me the secret beauty tip.
For me,
You tell me.
I know
Turn the
what you taught
question
me.
on me.
I know what you taught me. Tomato. I think you remember.
That's
Yeah,
right.
like I did it recently and I found it really helpful. Like I wake up in the morning and I just cut tomatoes while cooking and I put tomatoes all over.
Yeah.
So my tip would be that whatever you're eating and your body, you can put it on your face, except chilies and
Yeah,
garlic.
that's right.
I feel that those natural things. So the tomato thing, I really found it. Maybe guys should try. Like just keep it for
Yeah.
half an hour and then
Actually,
forget
it's
about
very good. Yeah.
it. Yeah,
Tomato
exactly.
and a little bit of lemon, a drop of lemon would be good too. It gives a
Yeah.
vitamin C on the face, and it's really nice.
And even cleanses your skin and even your blackheads and everything, I think. You
All
know?
pigmentation, everything will go with vitamin C. So I think that's a
So,
secret beauty tip now everybody know.
okay, what is the most expensive thing you own?
The love of people. All the
Oh,
people who are
shit.
out there.
I never expected this answer, and this is actually love is really expensive. People think that
Yeah.
money can buy everything. No, love.
The love which everybody is giving out here, that's the most expensive thing I have. And I really don't want to lose it.
You will have it forever. Okay, what's your nickname?
My nickname is Tina. At home, my mom calls me Tina.
Tina.
Yeah.
Oh, Tina Mina Dika, tin, tin, tin. Okay, if I would have to make a movie on your name, on your life story, what would be the movie subtitle? I mean, the title.
I think Apurva Soni should be the title of the movie, but because the movie, see, we make movie on Narendra Modi life, right? So the
Uh,
name of the movie is Prime Minister, something like that. So there should be my name only, not anything
very
else.
nice.
Yeah,
Actually, very nice. Yeah, Apurva Soni.
self
Yeah,
love.
like Dhoni. Like Dhoni. The movie was Dhoni.
Exactly.
Pretty watched it, right?
Yeah,
It's Apurva
yeah.
Soni. Yeah. Three things you look in a man for you.
Oh, three things. I think the guy should be very intellectual and he should be very, very understanding
Oh,
and he should be a little bit of good looks is okay. I don't like
little
guys
bit.
who are very who have really toned body and who go to gym 24/7 and discuss always about protein shakes and all. I don't like those kind of guys. So I think
Guys who are
somebody who's
like how
independent.
you are models, you're out of the picture. The model friends of mine are out of the picture.
So I think
Actually, I'll tell you what. Yeah, you
yeah,
like more
somebody who
real.
is independent.
You like more real people, more independent,
Yeah.
and like who can love
Honest
and who
people.
can be. Yeah, honest. Yeah, I
See,
think
because
very difficult to find them.
people in Bombay they try to wear a mask, which I don't like. I like people who don't have filters. So I think that's one thing which really attracts me. Doesn't matter how good looking the person is, how big the bank balance doesn't matter. The person has to be completely without filter.
Wow, I totally agree with you. The more the genuine people, I mean, the percentage is very less currently, I think, in the world, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Even I think we as a models, we need to realize that it's not always about the upper skin, whatever we wear. We need to be something from here, from our heart, right?
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me 3 things you love about me.